Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have another tutorial for you guys to check it out. This one is for Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. So if you have a pin lock or a pattern lock, and then you forgot about the password or the pattern or the 4-digit pin, this will be a right tutorial for you guys to check it out. Okay, so first of all, you need to go ahead and power off your smartwatch. Okay, by pressing this button right here, the home button, and then click on power off. So right now, make sure you power off completely. Okay, and right now you're gonna press the same button right here and keep on holding it until you see Samsung. So wait until you see rebooting on the bottom, and then you're gonna keep on hitting this button continuously, pushing on and off, on and off, on and off, until you see a pop-up screen. So let's go ahead and do that. Press and hold this button until you see rebooting on the bottom. And then you're gonna keep on pressing until you see this menu right here. So this is a continue, download wirelessly, factory command, recovery, and then power off. You want to go ahead and then go to recovery, but I'm not going to do that for my watch. So once you highlight in blue, like for example, if I go to power off, and you're supposed to press the button for like 2 seconds. 1, 2, and then let go. So yeah, once you see the menu, you're gonna press this for and hold it for 2 seconds, and then let go to select that menu. So let's do it one more time until you see rebooting. Then you're gonna press the button, keep on pressing it until you see this menu. And then if you don't keep on pressing it, it's gonna automatically reboot by itself. Okay, so just keep on pressing it. So this time around, I'm gonna do the power off again. I'm gonna press this button 2 seconds, 1, 2, and then let go. And then that's how you select whatever that menu that you want. So in this case, you're gonna select recovery, and the watch is gonna reboot everything by itself, restore everything back to factory resetting. So you need to set it up over again. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.